Hello everyone, here we have an unboxing and I really don't know what's in here, so let's grab it out. So looks like pretty small and I am pretty much sure this cannot be a cube. Oh no, there's cube written here, so let's get right into it. Okay, this box is pretty much dirty right now. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay. Ooh, what is this? Let's move on. Rares really looks like a pretty much nice cube, but I am really not sure what is in here. So let's grab it open. Box is pretty much nice with matte finish. Now let's see what when okay, it pull off like just like this, and here is the cube. Ooh. I am really in confused. What is this? I really don't know anything about this. Okay, let's take some videos. After reading the template, I got that this is a like a fidget toy or something like that, and that's it. That's about this. I thought this should be a puzzle cube, but it is like a fidget cube. This is the pamphlet given, written cube or class home, and I think really this is useless to me. May not be mine. Okay, so after going around with it for some time, I now realizing for what this for. It is just we can just give our thumb here and get some stuff, and this gears really clicks and all are pretty much same. And upon the this is something loose, middle is okay, these two is okay, but this is something loose. Okay, and this is the spinning ball which just rotates on my fingers just like that, if you can see, and it also clicks. Listen to that really satisfying sound. Now let's move to the next part. So this is a gamma joystick according to the pamphlet, and just move like that, and it also has a press button. Really satisfying, just moves like a joystick. The next stuff here we have a pivot switch which just click like a normal switch. Truly noisy very much. And next we have a dial which just move and round like that. And lastly, this is my most favorite part of all. This is the, I think, the dice or anything you can say. So here these features something more unique than other parts. These two are silent but really clickable. This button really get pressed but does not make any sound. This button gets pressed and makes sound. You hear that? But it is little bit less. But these two makes the loudest sound of this side. So that's really interesting. That is according to my stuff, and these two sounds, this something little bit less, and these two totally silence. And that's it about this cube. Thanks for watching.